Okay, so today we're working on a 2008 Chevy Impala with a 3.9 V6. It randomly cuts out, installs, sometimes runs out of fuel or appears to run out of fuel, sets lean codes, and also a fuel pump relay control circuit code. I think it was a P0230. Fuel pump relay was swapped with a different relay. Checked the wiring at the PCM. There was a rodent nest in the air cleaner housing, but no signs of damage there. So I installed these. I installed a relay jumper kit in place of the relay, and I've got the multimeter set up to look at the control side of the circuit, and I've got this relay jumper installed in here from Lyle. And running the vehicle, I could move the harness and I could see the voltage on the control side, pin, I'm not sure if it's pin 30, no, it won't be 30, it'll be 85 or 86. It's pin 85 on the relay, coming from the PCM, was actually dropping out. Now I noticed this wiring harness that runs across the front of the engine was tie wrapped to this engine block, or this engine mount, and when I moved the harness I could get the voltage drop out. So that particular wire is a dark green and white wire. Come on, focus, as it says there. So wrapped in the loom, inside tape, this harness was rubbing on the engine, and you can see that rub mark on that green white wire. That is the fuel pump control wire, and it would momentarily short out. You can see the copper there. It would short out against this engine bracket and kill the fuel pump. It may have, because it was shorting out an output driver on the computer, it may actually have shut down the computer momentarily, because it was a very abrupt cutout. Not somewhat like you would get if you pulled the fuel pump relay. That would take several seconds for it to die. So I'm going to fix that wire, re-secure that harness properly. I don't think it was supposed to be tie wrapped to the front of this engine. Somebody's obviously done that. That's not factory. They had installed this tie wrap in there. That's not factory. I think it was supposed to be secured with a clip or something. So we'll protect it with some insulating hose or something.